Hey guys, welcome back. Happy beautiful day to you all. Since we're still in our healthy journey, wellness, healthy eating, lifestyle, we're making something special just for you. Our signature dish for today is a roasted cauliflower chickpeas potato bowl with a creamy tahini herbs dressing. This is exactly what you need. Roasted goodness, delicious homemade dressing. It is quick, easy, healthy, and satisfying. I will link the recipe in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Okay? Alright, guys, let's get into it. This roasted cauliflower, chickpeas, and potato bowl is a game changer. Crispy, full of flavor. You can either drizzle the delicious tahini herb dressing on top, or you can just go ahead and put it in the bottom, whichever way makes you happy. And please garnish your dish with some chopped parsley. Unfortunately, I didn't have any more, so I couldn't garnish mine, but it will bring the color out, the flavor will be more, it'll be just beautiful. So please garnish it with some chopped parsley. Try this easy and healthy dish and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.